To use the Tremendous Virtual Visa Card, start by understanding what it is and its benefits. The Tremendous Virtual Visa Card is a digital payment solution that allows you to make online transactions securely and efficiently. It is a prepaid card that can be loaded with funds and used to make purchases online. First, you need to create an account on the Tremendous website or mobile app. This will require you to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is created, you can log in and apply for a virtual card. After your virtual card is approved, you can load funds onto it using a variety of payment methods such as bank transfer or credit card. The funds will be available for use immediately after the payment is processed. To make a purchase using your virtual card, simply go to the online store where you want to make a purchase and select the virtual card as your payment method. Enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, and complete the transaction. It is essential to keep your virtual card details secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Make sure to use strong passwords and keep your account information confidential. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. One of the benefits of using the Tremendous Virtual Visa Card is that it provides an additional layer of security for your online transactions. Since the card is virtual, it cannot be lost or stolen, and the funds on the card are protected in case of unauthorized transactions. In addition to security, the Tremendous Virtual Visa Card also offers convenience and flexibility. You can use it to make purchases online from anywhere in the world, and you can load and reload funds as needed. To get the most out of your Tremendous Virtual Visa Card, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of use. This will help you to avoid any fees or charges associated with the card, and to use it in a way that is convenient and secure for you. Overall, the Tremendous Virtual Visa Card is a useful tool for anyone who wants to make online transactions securely and efficiently. By following the steps outlined above and using the card responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of secure and convenient online payments.